Everyone, welcome to another video. So today we are going to analyze Indian Tobacco Company, or you can call it ITC. Okay, this is the chart. Okay, you can search it like this, ITC. Okay, this is the chart. Okay, so let's try to analyze it from the beginning itself, right from this point. Okay, 1st December 1994 to present date. Okay, it has given around 3,960% return in 10,227 days. Okay, let's try to break it down into number of years. Dividing it by 365, we get it 28 years. Okay, 3,960% in 28 years, which is 1 second, around 141% per year. Okay, which is excellent. Now let us try to zoom in and find out how much return it has given from its lowest point during COVID crash. Okay, this is the point, as you can see, 135 roughly to present, which is almost around 350. So this is 160% return in around 1000 days, which will be roughly around 2.7 years. Okay. Now let us mark its all-time high. Okay, this is the place. Wait, let me draw the trend line and then I will show you. Okay, here I have marked. So this level is the all-time high of ITC. Okay, it is around 367.2. Now we can see that the price is approaching its all-time high. Okay, now let's zoom in and see what it is doing in terms of candlesticks in weekly. So this is the weekly chart. Okay, so we can see as soon as it approaches the all-time high, we can see some rejections from this level. We can see this big candle like minus 4.3% in a week. Then here is a doji, and presently we are at this level. Okay, let me zoom in even further to daily time frame and see what we find. Okay, this is the daily time frame. Okay, now we can see even clearly that there are big number of red candles. Okay, you can see this area. Okay, when it was just approaching, we can see big red candles. Now the price is even closer to the all-time high, and we can see more red candles. So we can assume that the stock is getting weak when it is approaching its all-time high. Now what I will do is draw a trend line. Okay, let's do it. Let's take these points. Okay, here it is. So when we zoom in here, we can see that ITC has broken this trend line. Okay, but do not make the mistake of assuming that from this point it will go down. It won't. It might come to this level. Okay, let me mark it with another color. Okay, so let me draw its possible price movement. Okay, so what it might do is come and touch this level and again go back. Okay, and from here it can again start turning down. So if you analyze closely, you will notice this entire area as a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is the entire area. Okay, these are the two shoulders and this is one head. So for people who do not know what is head and shoulder pattern, as of now you can do some Google search and try to know what it is. Okay, and let me show it here itself so that you can. Okay, so this is the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, you can see the price of ITC, price movement, could form a similar pattern. Okay, and then it might go down, but this is not confirmed until it happens. So when we are analyzing a chart, we should never try to predict. Okay, we should not, or even if you are trying to predict, you should not take action based on your prediction. You have to wait for the price to actually form the pattern or make the price movement that you are expecting. Do not assume and take entries or exit beforehand. Okay, so let's say it is forming this pattern like this, okay, the head and shoulder pattern that we are expecting. What we can do next is draw another trend line. Okay, I am just switching this trend line from there to this point, okay, like this. Okay, and as soon as it breaks this level with a big red candle and crosses this level, you will know that price might start going down, okay, in this direction. Okay, one second, let me remove this. Okay, price might start going down in this level, okay, and where it will stop, that also we'll have to wait and watch. We have to see that after reaching a certain level, it might start forming big green candles, okay, back to back green candles. Then we might assume that yes, it can stop here, or it might go down a little bit further, and then it might change, take a reversal. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I will keep updating about this stock ITC in my future videos. Okay, so thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos. Thank you and have a good day.